A very good morning and warm welcome to my dear children. Welcome to digital learning process. I hope you all are learning digitally well and you are also enjoying digital learning process. Before we begin, I have these two lines for you which will explain us many things. Destiny is not created by the shoes we wear but by the steps we take. My dear children, to achieve or to reach till destiny, the first and foremost thing what we have to do is to try, is to work hard. If we don't work hard, if we don't climb the steps, we are not going to reach our destiny. So, we must keep trying. Make the journey of life memorable and meaningful. We have to make our life enjoyable, memorable and meaningful. Just take example of this pandemic situation. There is a lot of negativity, there is a lot of negative things happening around. There's a lot of pressure, there is a lot of tension. This tension can be physical, mental, financial, anything. We cannot judge this tension. This tension can be anyone's and in any manner. But here, there are positive things happening. There were many positive hopes happening, positive work happening. Like there were few organizations who were donating food, money, clothes, etc. and helping needy people. There were many people who were helped by their neighbors, their family members. So it was a time to show that yes, we are with you, which normally we couldn't do because of our busy life schedule. But this pandemic situation, all were stuck at home. They couldn't go out. But this pandemic situation and this pandemic time gave us time to show our affection and love towards our relatives, to our neighbors, to people. Even some people were having a lot of creativity in them, but because of busy schedule, they couldn't try or they couldn't give time to it. There were many people who took a very good advantage of this pandemic situation or pandemic time, this lockdown period, and they showed their creativity and they could do what they wanted. And they made themselves happy and also with their work they spread positive hopes to people. So my dear children, even I would like to tell you that do the things which you wanted to do from long time. Like drawing, you want to try something new in drawing or anything. But with your parents' permission and with their guidance and under their supervision. And make your life memorable and meaningful. Maybe there are few of you who did not get time to play with your parents. And now parents were free during lockdown period and they played with you and you had a wonderful time. You can write an essay on that. You can do various different things. There is one different thing what you are going to learn. You can do this also. But when I teach you, you can think of this idea. So before now let me not waste the time on this and quickly begin with our topic. Subject English, lesson number 15, a collage. A collage is an artistic arrangement of paper cutouts, pictures, photographs, text, etc. You can make a collage on a single topic, or you may bring together various topics and ideas in collage. Dear children, collage means arrangement of paper cutouts, pictures, photographs, text, etc. in an artistic manner. And it is not necessary that you have to select only one single topic. You may bring various topics together and make collage of it. Let's move ahead to know more about this. A young admirer of. Yes, you all are aware who is he. Yes, our favorite, everyone's favorite, Mr. Sachin Tendulkar. So, a young admirer of Sachin Tendulkar has made this collage. As she made this collage about the life and work of her favorite cricketer. Sachin Tendulkar is her favorite cricketer, and this collage work is related to life and work of Sachin Tendulkar. You can also make a collage about your favorite sports person or any other personality. If you want, you can make collage on your favorite sports person or any other personality. It can be actor, it can be a singer, it can be any other person. Okay, it is up to you. But this girl who has made this young admirer who has made her collage on favorite cricketer Sachin Tendulkar, we are going to see that. So let's begin. Dear children, you all are aware who is he. These are few pictures of Sachin Tendulkar. You can see a black and white picture. Yes, that's a very old picture of Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. This is his full name. Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. He was born on 24th April 1973. First test match which he played was on 15th November 1989, and this match was against Pakistan. His first ODI means One Day International. He played that One Day International on 18th December 1989, which was against Pakistan. Now here is a record of his centuries, half centuries and total runs of ODI. Dear children, century means 100 runs. At a stretch, he made 100 runs 49 times. Out of total one day international matches, how many he played? Okay, amongst that, 49 times he has he has done centuries. Half centuries means 50 runs. 96 times he made half century. And if total runs we calculate, it goes up to 18,426. If you see the birth of date and date of birth and first test match, you can see that at the early age, that is 16 years, when he was of 16 years, he started with his career and he played first test match. Then here is a record of his test centuries, means in test matches how many centuries did he beat? 51 times he made centuries, and his total runs of test matches are 15,921. Means it is almost now going to, if he played few more matches, or he would have earned, he would have scored a few more runs, then he would have crossed 16,000 also. Now the last test match which he played was on 14th November 2013, that was against West Indies. And last one day international he played on 18th March 2012, which was against Pakistan. So if you calculate total 24 years of his career, and when he retired, he took retirement, he was of age 40 years, 40 years. 16 to 40, 24 years of career. He earned a lot of name and fame. He is an inspirational personality to us. There are few more interesting information about him. Let's move to second slide to see that. Sachin Tendulkar is the young recipient of Bharat Ratna. There are many awards honored to him. They are Arjun Award, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, Padma Shri Award, Maharashtra Bhushan Award, Padma Vibhushan Award. These are the awards which are honored to him. There are few world records registered against his name. They are that he is a first player who scored double century in one day international match for the men's, organized for the men's. He is the one who has played highest number of test and ODI matches. He is the only cricketer who scored 100 centuries in international cricket. He is only the player to score 50 centuries in test cricket. He is first batsman who scored 15,000 runs in test matches. So the world record for having the highest number of world record goes to him. His career, his work, his life is completely inspiring. We must learn good things from him. There are various things that we can learn. You can imagine how dedicatedly or how hard work he would have done to achieve so many things. Really, I salute Mr. Sachin Tendulkar. My favorite cricketer. Touching farewell speech. Sachin thanked all the people who had helped him in his life. His parents, family members, relatives, friends, his coach, doctors, trainers, managers, media, and all the people who had supported him. He did not forget a single person. He, he thanked everyone. We are proud of you, Sachin. He remembered everyone. Professor Ramesh Tendulkar, Sachin's father, he died when the 1999 World Cup matches were going on. Sachin returned to India just for a little while and returned immediately. He scored a century unbeaten 140 runs off 101 balls. In the next match against Kenya, he dedicated this century to his father. Dear children, to do this work, it needs lot of courage. His father died in 1999, and at that time, World Cup matches were going on. To see off his dead father, he just returned for a while and he went back immediately. Not only he went back, but he scored century. 101 balls में he scored 140 runs and he dedicated this century to his father. But this needs lot of courage. This shows his love for nation. So much he is dedicated to his work and so much he is patriotic. He loves his nation. He is also a warrior. He is also a soldier. So, I again salute him. I respect him. Next, what Sachin said about his Sir Ramakant Achrekar in his farewell speech. On a lighter note, in the last 29 years, Sir has never ever said, well played to me because I thought I would get complacent and I would stop working hard. Maybe he can push his luck and wish me now, well done, on my career because there are no more matches, sir, in my life. I will be witnessing cricket and cricket will always stay in my heart. But you have had an immense contribution in my life. So thank you very much. Sachin Sir did not appreciate him any time in his career time whenever he was giving him coaching because maybe he thought that he will complacent means pleased with oneself or making no efforts to improve. Maybe Sachin will think, yes, now I am fulfilled. My sir said, okay, good for me. Okay, this happens with us also. We can take our own examples. If teacher says, very good, we think, I have fulfilled everything now. Now there is no need to try. Yes, at times we feel that. So he should not feel like that. That's the reason his sir never said well played. He tried to pick out the nooks which were not there, but still he is sir. He can point out his mistakes very well. So, sir was inspiring every time, and that's the reason Sachin Tendulkar is saying that in my heart you will always be there, cricket will always be there, and you also will be there. And he thanked him for his guidance. So with this we learned that he was thankful and he remembered, he understood that who has worked for him throughout his career. He did not forget anyone. So my dear children, you also should remember that behind your success, who has played important role. and you should be thankful to them every time. With this, we complete this lesson here only. PDF of answers will be sent to you.